interesting. Here's the Basilica, and here's shops underneath it. A whole row of them. A shitload of shops underneath the Basilica. All right. Boy, talk about your foundation settling, huh? Not great. They're releasing balloons on purpose, as if to sacrifice animals. You know, instead of sacrificing animals, we're just killing them later in nature anonymously. That's a pretty slick idea. Takes the brutality out of it. So it's kind of hard to see from inside the Basilica, but it is so slanted. From here you can see a little better. But the whole thing, you feel like you're going to fall over. It's bizarre. Very cool though, very cool. Bizarre. So this is right next to the Basilica. Very 70s modern, but magnificent. So here's the inside of this church. And there's the Basilica. That's a good location, I guess. From here you get a much better view of just how much the Basilica is leaning, sloped, slanted on purpose. I can't imagine they did it on purpose.
People believe that this is the original image, the original Saint Juan Diego. You see the shapes of color and you see the brilliant colors that we still have. Okay, you can pass, you can make it back.
Yeah, it doesn't really do it for me. So to give you an idea, so here's the Basilica. Here's the big weird church next to it. And how far are we from town? Let's see if it'll let me zoom. That tall building is the clock tower next to my apartment. Not bad, not bad. See from the Revolution building. Over here is where the Basilica is, right there in the middle. Right next to that ugly ass church.